Hi, this is installing the new Cirrus SR22 or 20 jet shades windshield for maximum protection for the pilots. You're going to see that in this version we have 1, 2, 3 pieces of velcro. This is how it comes to you, and so they're already attached to the jet shade. You'll be peeling off the backing and sticking up in just a minute, but let's figure out first how to position this velcro. So just take the jet shade and put it into the pilot side corner, and then just push it up into the co-pilot corner like this, and just look up here and notice where the velcro meets the black tape up here, because that's where you're going to put the velcro, on this black tape. And we're going to mark that with some blue tape in just a minute here. So I made myself some 3 pieces of painter's tape, and all I'm going to do is mark the little area up here, and I'm just stick it to the cloth temporarily where the velcro is, so I'll know where to put the velcro. And there, I've got my 3 pieces of blue tape up there. Now I'm just going to pull the windshield out and do that. My next step is going to be peeling off the backing paper. I'm going to peel off the velcro like this, peel off the backing paper. I'm going to stick it right up on this black tape up here, which I've already cleaned with an alcohol pad. Make sure you do clean it with the alcohol pad included, which I've done, and stick that right on the black tape, right, just like that. Put that one up there, and we'll do the same thing for the center. We just peel off the backing paper and put it where it is there. Done is we've added the velcro right where I had the blue tape marked it, right here, and right here. So now I can take this blue tape off, and we're ready to put the windshield up. So to put the windshield up, you simply just start it on one edge. There's going to be some tricks to this, but let's just get it started. And one of the little helpful hints is to try putting the trim, like almost tuck it behind the trim of the aircraft. That keeps it nice and snug. And then work it up, pulling it out, and then simply attaching it to the velcro. So pull it, there we go, pull it up, push the velcro in, push the velcro in, here, push it, push the velcro in, push the sides in. And it's nice after you get the sides up, let's put part of it behind the trim. Let's just put part of it behind there, that's fine right there. And look at this part's fine right here. We've got part of it behind the trim, part of it, that pinches it up really good and keeps it from sliding down. And that's putting it in. Of course, you're just easily removable at any time, just pulling it off in the velcro. So that's the Cirrus SR20 and SR22 jet shades windshield, which will really help keep sun, glare, heat, solar energy from coming into the cockpit. And if you like me and fly westbound in the evenings, you're gonna love it. Thanks, everyone.